So till last class, we have learned and we have seen some important parts of PowerPoint. Today, we are going to do creating a new presentation. How to make a new presentation. So, a presentation can be created in two ways, either with themes or templates. हम presentation दो तरीके से बना सकते हैं. Either हम theme use कर सकते हैं या तो हम templates use कर सकते हैं. The first is using themes. Now, what is theme? A theme is a unique combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can quickly change the look of the entire slideshow. Themes can be applied to tables, smart arts, graphics, shapes, or charts in your slides. Now, what is theme? Theme हम किसे कहते हैं? Theme एक यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशन है जिसके हेल्प से आप पूरे प्रेजेंटेशन का लुक बदल सकते हो. यू कैन चेंज द एंटायर लुक ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन. इट हैज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कलर, it has the combination of different font styles, it has the combination of effects, and we can apply it in some table. अगर आप कोई टेबल ड्रॉ करते हो, टेबल मीन्स not that chair table, not that table. Here the table means जैसे आपके बुक में context रहता है, content रहता है, that is the serial number, the name of the chapters, then the page number. In English you have author name. So उस चीज को बनाने को हम table कहते हैं. So you can apply the theme in the table. You can apply the theme in any drawings, in any shapes, any type of charts, or any smart art. Now, what all are the steps we need to follow by creating a new presentation? To create a presentation using a theme, follow these steps. What are the steps? First step, click the File tab. The backstage view appears. Click New in the left pane and then click Blank Presentation. Or choose a theme. You can also search for online templates and themes. Third, a dialog box appears with choice of background color. Select the required background color and click Create. A new presentation will appear. So there are 4 points. First step is we need to click in File tab. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? सबसे पहले हमें File tab में क्लिक करना है. तो File tab में क्लिक करने से what will come? A backstage view will come. Okay. After that, you need to click in New, which is present in the left side, in the left pane. Then you need to click in Blank Presentation. आप either Blank Presentation में क्लिक कर सकते हो या फिर आप कोई भी थीम जो आपको पसंद है आप वो चूज कर सकते हो. Or you can choose something online also. Third step is a dialog box will appear. एक dialog box खुलेगा जहाँ पे आप background color को select कर सकते हो. You can select any background color as per your requirement and your preference. Then you have to click Create. After this, a new presentation will appear. Now, themes for a blank presentation. What are the themes for the blank presentation? If you choose blank presentation, तो आपको क्या-क्या theme आपको वहाँ मिलेगा? And how you can select any theme. First step is click the Design tab. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले आपको Design tab में क्लिक करना है. In the themes group, click the More button. Then you will go to the group theme. After going there, you can click in the More button so that you can see all the themes available there. This will open the theme gallery. Select the required theme. जैसे ही आप मोर बटन में क्लिक करोगे एक थीम गैलरी खुलेगी जहाँ पे बहुत सारे थीम्स रहते हैं. आप कोई भी एक सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो as per your requirement. Right click the selected theme to view the different ways of applying the theme. Otherwise, the theme will be applied to the entire presentation. अगर हम right click करते हैं किसी theme के ऊपर, so we can see what all more options are there and how we can use the theme, or else जो भी theme हमने select किया है वो पूरे presentation में selected, वो पूरे presentation में दिखाई देगा. ठीक है? Now this is the step how we can make presentation by using theme. Next comes using templates. How we can make presentation by using templates. So what is templates? We have done in MS Word 13 also. So a template is a pre-designed presentation that includes custom formatting and designs. It can save a lot of time and effort when starting a new presentation. So template क्या है? Template एक pre-designed किया हुआ presentation है जिसमें आप अपने हिसाब से formatting भी कर सकते हो. It is a custom formatting and it save your time. It save lots of time and effort to make a new presentation as it is predefined. Now comes how to create a presentation using a template. हम template की मदद से presentation कैसे बना सकते हैं? First step is click the file tab. The first step is same. We have to click the file tab. Once you click the file tab, a backstage view will come. जैसे यह file after clicking the file tab, the backstage view will come. Then we have to select the new option. After we select new, you will find different type of templates are there. Okay, or we can find the templates, whatever templates we want in the search bar, or we can search the templates in online also. From the design tab, click the button furthest to the right, format background. उसके बाद design tab से you can click to the right and you can format the background. जो भी background आपको दिया गया है आप उसे भी format कर सकते हो, आप उसे भी अपने पसंद से change कर सकते हो. You can change it according to your requirement. Next is a preview of template will appear along with the additional information on how the template can be used. Then a preview will come, which we have done in Word also. A preview will come. From there you can see all the additional informations that are needed to do the presentation and how you can work in this template. Then click create to use the selected template. Then we have to click in create option and we can create a new presentation. A new presentation will appear with the selected template. Okay. Now comes inserting a new file, a new slide. Whenever you start a new presentation, it will contain one slide with the title slide layout. जब भी आप नया presentation खोलते हो या start करते हो तो आपको एक simple एक पहला ही slide दिया जाएगा. There will be only one slide and it contains the title slide layout. That is what you want to give the title to your presentation, to your topic. You can insert as many slides as you need from a variety of different layouts. आपको जितनी slide जरूरत है अपने presentation के लिए आप उतने ही slides add कर सकते हो. Let us continue with the droplet theme we have selected earlier. To insert a slide, do as follows. To insert a new slide, we can do the following steps. First, from the home tab, click the bottom half of the new slide command. Home tab में हम बॉटम हाफ में जाके न्यू स्लाइड कमांड में क्लिक कर सकते हैं. Choose the desired slide layout from the menu at that appears. A new slide will appear. Click any placeholder and begin typing to add text. You can also click an icon to add other type of content such as picture or chart. We can select, we can add new slides, we can select the new theme also, we can change the layout. Once you add the slide, there you can write something, you can type something, or if you want, you can insert pictures or any charts if required.